We feel like it's really important to be OEM certified because we sell these to our customers, and if something does happen, we want to make sure that it is not only returned to them, but it's returned to them like the manufacturer would have produced it in the first place. We just think that is really important in order to make sure that we are keeping safe, reliable vehicles out on the road. So we hold a lot of different certifications with our manufacturers. That's why we think it's so important. So right now we're in the middle of a Subaru certification. We're almost done with it and it will be finished here shortly. But we know that we have to be there because that's what the Subaru customer wants. If they get in a wreck, they want to make sure that their Subaru that they bought, that they love, that carry their family to different events, that car is going to be the same safe car that they bought in the first place. I think the biggest thing for us is we do these certifications because we want to make sure we're living up to the standard of what we have in this market, which is the manufacturers, the original manufacturer. In 2008, the reason why we expanded so much is because we wanted to make sure we have a diverse set of brands. In 2008, we had Dodge and GM. And so we're like, we gotta diversify. So that's when we decided to say, hey, let's go out, let's get Subaru, Toyota, Honda, Ford. We're just expanded our portfolio. So if any one brand is down, we can survive whatever.